Well, I'm sitting here in the car. Yeah, it's a Ford, and yes, I can drive. It's a Crown Vic. And I'm in Mapleton here at Casey's, and we got some pigs in the trunk. We use the car because they're just little tiny things. The truck's just too big. Let's see, Casey's. Impala. Chevy, 3/4 ton. 4x4, but it's not a diesel. Anyways, so that's that. And we got about 30-40 miles till we get back home. And then maybe I'll show you the pigs. We got 10 on today's Friday, and we're getting 5. We got 10 on Monday. And there's a cop over there. And we got 10 on Monday, and then we had 8 or whatever from the other day. But so yeah, I'm gonna go, and because I don't know if I can legally park here. I'm pretty sure I can, but I don't know. So I'll see y'all later. Thanks for watching. Well, here's some of them. We're in the new barn here. I had all my lawnmowers and stuff in here, and then I went and cleaned it out. There's one. There's 15 in here total. And I'm just giving them some pellets from WFS here. Let's see. They're scaredy cats. If I move, they'll run. But that one seems hungry. We got 5 more today, like I said earlier. And I actually, it was okay to park there. The cop never came back or anything, so that was good. But yeah, this barn's nice because it's got the cement floor. So let's give these little piggies about 10 pounds of pellets. Just gonna put it in there. If I can do this here, maybe if I go like so. I don't know what you can see. Hopefully you can see something. Alright, and I'm still following my 1 pound a pig per day, per month deal. And all these pigs are about a month old, month and a half, so they're getting about a pound a day, but it won't really hurt them if they eat more than that. It'll just make them get fatter faster. I don't know why any don't come around here. But, so yeah, I got 15 pigs in here. I got 8 in the other, total 23. And so these ones should be, I should get put like 15 pounds a day in here, and then 30 pounds next month, and 45 pounds the next month, and so on. But sorry, I got a call. Anyways, like I was saying, none of them are ever going to eat exactly a pound a day. You know, one might eat a half a pound, while the other eats a pound and a half. So, you know, but in here, those are the, well, let's see here. Those are 4 of the ones I got today. Those are the 5 I got today. I actually just brought them home. And I just use corn stalks for bedding. Works good. And so yeah. But they're definitely pigs, that's for sure. And then I got the Chevy over here. I'll pick that up in a minute. But I got the Chevy out there. Because I was hauling some wire and stuff around the farm. And actually, we were doing some redneck tree trimming, and we don't have a chainsaw. It blew up on us because it was cheap. So I tied a chain around, I tied a chain around the push bumper, and the other end around the branch I needed to pull off, and pulled it off, and it worked good. But it landed on the roof. And Pa got up on the roof and threw it off the truck, and the end of it landed on the passenger side mirror, and broke the frickin' mirror. Not the mirror, but the glass. So it's just a farm truck anyways, it's not a big deal. So yeah, the pigs say hi. And yeah, that's kind of my update. Thanks for watching, y'all. Have a good day.